Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth analysis of the latest tech gadgets and electronics. Today, we have something truly exciting to review: the Sony KD65X77L 65-inch 4K HDR LED Smart TV with Google TV, bundled with a Deco Gear home theater soundbar with subwoofer, wall mount accessory kit, and more. Let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about the star of the show, the Sony KD65X77L. This TV boasts a stunning 65-inch 4K HDR LED display, delivering crisp images and vibrant colors that truly bring your favorite content to life. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or streaming your favorite shows, the clarity and detail of this TV are absolutely remarkable. One of the standout features of this TV is its integration with Google TV. With access to over 700,000 movies and TV episodes across 10,000 plus apps, Google TV takes your entertainment experience to the next level. Plus, with built-in Google Assistant, navigating through your favorite content has never been easier. Simply use your voice to search for movies, adjust settings, or even control smart home devices. It's that convenient. But wait, there's more. This bundle also includes a Deco Gear home theater soundbar with subwoofer, delivering immersive audio that complements the stunning visuals of the Sony TV perfectly. With 60 W of power and wireless connectivity, you can enjoy rich, room-filling sound without the hassle of tangled wires. Whether you're watching an action-packed blockbuster or listening to your favorite music, this soundbar ensures an audio experience like no other. And let's not forget about the convenience of the included wall mount accessory kit. With everything you need to securely mount your new Sony TV, installation is a breeze. Plus, with 2 HDMI cables included in the bundle, connecting your devices has never been easier. Say goodbye to cluttered cables and hello to a clean, minimalist setup that enhances the look of any room. To wrap it all up, the Sony KD65X77L 65-inch 4K HDR LED Smart TV bundle offers an unbeatable combination of stunning visuals, immersive audio, and convenient features that take your entertainment experience to new heights. Whether you're a movie buff, a gaming enthusiast, or simply love streaming your favorite shows, this TV has something for everyone. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your living room into a cinematic paradise. Get your hands on this incredible bundle today. And that's a wrap for today's episode of Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews of the latest tech gadgets and electronics. Until next time, happy viewing.